Continue to Senja. Nach Senja in sight, which looks like it's from Middle Earth. Which looks like it's from Middle Earth. Who thought it was over? Who thought it was over? Who thought it was over? Thought it was over. No, 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 no. Continue to Senja. Continue to the most beautiful and mystical island, 400 kilometers along the coast. Purely electric, on the hunt for the next charging station. Past beautiful coast and great views with a stopover in older Dalen. Continue to Senja. Mount Senja in sight, which looks like it's from Middle Earth. Continue to Senja. Continue to the most beautiful and mystical island, 400 kilometers along the coast. Purely electric, on the hunt for the next charging station. Past beautiful coast and great views with a stopover in older Dalen. Continue to Senja. Mount Senja in sight, which looks like in sight, which looks like it's from Middle Earth. Who thought it was over? Which looks like it's from Middle Earth. And the Senja in sight, which looks like it's from Middle Earth.
A conversation.
A little silly conversation.
Going on holiday in an electric car.
Can you charge there?
I would never buy an electric car.
This junk car, that's not a car.
Diesel forever. The batteries are not eco-friendly.